What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing an instructional video on how to use bands on conventional deadlift if your gym doesn't have a platform with anchors. So this is my supplemental lift and I'm doing it after my main lift. And I'm also doing these belt lifts. The first thing you're gonna need are two bands. I'm using light bands and they are at a combined band tension weight of around 110 pounds. And that's off of 25% of my 1 rep max. All right, so you're also gonna need a barbell, some bar weight, a pair of flat shoes. I got the red bottoms on today, and that's it. No racks, no anchors, just you and the weight. So step one, you're gonna load the barbell with the weights. So step two, you're gonna put both bands over the bar. So I'll put one like so. Each ends in front of the feet, and then I'm gonna make an X with the other one. Each ends over the feet. So as you see, I grab them here, and then I'm gonna take these and just step right through them. Boom. Boom. Now I have two bands looped and over the bar. So step three is initiating the pull. I'm doing these belt lifts, so when you pull up, be careful how you move because you could get hurt. So to prevent that, drive through your feet, brace your core, and head back. The bands are going to help you increase tension at the lockout and help you with speed and explosiveness. In case you're beltless for a while, that's how you do banded, beltless, conventional deadlifts anywhere. If your goal is to increase top end strength, speed, and explosiveness. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so it could help somebody else. And don't forget to have yourself a nice day.